Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to our channel. I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we're going to walk through the process of deleting a Facebook profile. Let's jump right in. To begin, locate and open the Facebook application on your device. Once it's open, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type in the name of the profile you wish to delete. Once you've found the profile, tap on the three dots located beside the message button. These dots represent additional options for the profile. From the drop-down menu, select the Report Profile option. This action will initiate the process of reporting the profile. Within the report options, choose Pretending to be someone as the reason for reporting, and then specify that it's me you're reporting. After making these selections, tap on the Submit button. This will send your report to Facebook for review. Follow the prompts and tap on Next to proceed through the reporting process. Now it's time to take action from your end. Unfriend, unfollow, and block the profile from your account settings to ensure disconnection from it. Once you've completed these steps, tap on Done to finalize the process. Additionally, you can encourage your family and friends to report the account as well. Multiple reports increase the likelihood of the account being reviewed and potentially deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, please consider subscribing to our channel. We appreciate your support and thank you for staying with us until the end.